Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is 1st September. Nifty opened gap up here and it went up. So this has been a bit messy, but this was my first entry on the second candle here. I took a PE trade. And I exited here. In the next candle low, I exited. I booked a loss of around 200 rupees, 250. Then I entered again at another CE trade at this candle. This candle I entered at a CE trade. This is the place where I entered at a CE trade and I exited here. After the close of this candle, I exited. So one PE trade I booked a loss of 250 and another I booked a profit of 100. And then at this point here I entered at a PE trade and suddenly it went up on the same PE trade, and I held the position, and because the option chain was not showing very bullish signs, so it came down, and by the time it came here I exited. So the loss that I booked of 250 came to a profit of 20 rupees. I was very lucky to have exited here. One profit in one trade and a loss in two trades. Again I entered on the same CE trade. I entered here. This is my entry. This is my entry here on the CE trade of 600. Market was at 590 and this was my stop loss, and my stop loss didn't got hit and I exited here. So almost 10 points stop loss, 10 points target, but since I got the momentum here in this candle, I exited at a profit of 500 rupees. So today I took a CE trade of 600, 24,600. In the CE trade I booked a profit of 600. It showed me a loss of huge loss, but then I was fortunate enough to have recovered it in profit. The PE trade that I took at the first of the day here I booked loss, but somehow I could just recover my loss and exit in a little bit of profit. And the next CE trade that I took, it was 100 rupees, and again I took it, so it became 150, 160 rupees. This was the trade where I recovered the PE loss. And next is here. So today I took 5 trades, and I broke my discipline because tomorrow is expiry. So after a very long time, from this month of September, Nifty will be having expiry on Tuesdays. So tomorrow is expiry, and that is the reason market was slowly moving up, but this was a resistance, so it went above the resistance line and closed here. So my capital is now 7,300. I started with 3,000 capital, and another thing is I was lucky enough to have recovered it. Otherwise today also, sorry for that, today also I would have booked a loss of 500, 600 rupees. So for tomorrow we have expiry Tuesdays, and let's see, I'll try not to trade Tuesday tomorrow on the expiry, and let's see what happens. So I was very lucky today to have recovered my losses, but I broke my discipline and everything. So tomorrow I'll wait and see whatever happens. If the market goes up, I'll try to catch a momentum. If the market goes down, I'll try to catch a momentum. And today I was biased on the negative side, so that affected my trading today. And again I did the same old mistake. I revenge traded, and lastly in this part I had a FOMO. I watched till here, then I was supposed to take a trade here. After this candle I missed it, so I had FOMO and stuff. So that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.